What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark, as you might already know. A little bit of a different video today. I'm just going to be giving a quick update with what's going on with this channel, as well as what's going on with me in my personal life. Now, you may or may not have noticed I've been basically putting out weekly videos for the past 6 months, and my goal when I started this channel about 6-7 months ago was kind of just to share the knowledge, that I've accumulated over my finance degree, what I've accumulated working for the government of Canada in the past few years, as well as, just share my general macro level research and just share everything that I do, in my free time in terms of looking at the stock market and, personal finance tips and kind of anything and everything in between that. So anyways, my goal about 6-7 months ago, again, was to share, just work that I do and potentially gain an internet audience. And, I have started that. We have, I think, roughly like 200 subscribers at the time of this channel update. And hopefully, that continues to grow in the future. And I hope you guys do like the work that I do. Now, just due to the nature of the videos, it always takes a lot of time to do the research in terms of looking at equities, looking at, countries' economic reports, and just doing general level research. And it takes me, anywhere from, I'd say, 5 to 10 hours per week to put together one 10-minute video. And most of that is editing, but I'd say the other half is doing the research. So anyways, what I want to kind of give you guys an update on is what's going on in my life and why you might see a little bit less content coming out in the future from this channel, at least just for the summer, okay? Once I move in to my new house and all that and kind of get my own working space, I do plan to start pumping out weekly content again. But just to give you guys an update of where I'm at, I just bought a brand new pre-built home, and I'll be moving into that around the November time frame. I just bought a brand new 2019 Nissan Kick car. I just bought, I got engaged last summer, so I'm in the process of planning the wedding. And I also plan to sign up for the CFA Level 2 to write in June 2021. So I guess the purpose of this video is just to let you guys know I don't plan on doing a weekly video for summer of 2020. I'm looking more at doing a bi-weekly video or a monthly video. I'm going to try and at least put out 2 videos a month. That's my goal. This does count as 1 video for the month, but I hope you guys stick with me. I hope you guys enjoy the content that I'm putting out for you. And again, this channel is supposed to be educational. It's supposed to share general level research that I do on finance with the general public. So I hope you guys all enjoy that, and if you do, I hope you guys stick with me. But just to let you know that there is a lot on my plate right now, from the house to the car to the engagement to CFA Level 2, and I also have a full-time job on top of that, and I also try to maintain a social life with friends. So anyways, that's pretty much all I have for this video. If you do enjoy the content I make, please smash the like button. And if there's any topics that you'd like to see me cover in the future, definitely let me know down in the comments, okay? So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys stick with me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.